naka-receive tayo ng total of $541.70. Hello guys and welcome back sa ating channel. Welcome back mga ka-passive. This is just a quick update on our passive income portfolio income reveal for the 4th week of May. So late na naman as usual yung video natin, but of course I feel like I have to be accountable dun sa mga iilan na subscribers natin sa channel na to who are hoping and waiting for our income reveal every week, and tinitingnan or pinapanood yung progress natin kung saan na ba tayo, and maybe you are one of those na who's trying to dip your toes into this type of investment or investing strategy. And kasi itong channel na to, this is not for of course we want to grow this channel and eventually be monetized, but this is more on the personal accountability na rin, and I want to have a record of our journey, of our progress na rin that I wanna share to you guys, sa mga viewers. And I feel guilty kasi hindi tayo consistent. Same problem na mention ko sa aking mga naunang videos. Yung inadmit ko naman yung problem natin sa consistency when it comes to making or creating contents for you guys, sa mga viewers, and para sa sarili ko na nga rin sana. Well, anyway, so eto, balik tayo. So yung last income reveal natin is for the 3rd week of May, right? So for this video guys, I'm gonna update you guys with how much income we made on the 4th week of May. I have my laptop here and also yung kay Mrs. na records, kanyang manual spreadsheet. So, okay. So, for the 4th week of May, guys, naka-receive tayo ng total of $541.70 income. So, by far, isa to sa mga matataas na income na na-receive natin this actually past 3 weeks of May. Dito kasi sa record ko, yung 2nd week of May, nasa ano na tayo $582.48 yung na-receive natin for the 2nd week of May. That is just in the US funds, and then we also have a receive income from our US or Canadian covered call ETFs na positions. We received $226.25. So ang laki nun. So by far, yung 2nd week of May for the year 2025, kung di ako nagkakamali, yung pinakamalaking distribution for now. Okay? And yung 3rd week of May, we receive a total of $507.90. Again, US, lahat to US funds or US income. And then, yun, sa 4th week of May nga, we received $541.70. Okay, breakdown lang natin guys para sa inyo, and tingnan natin kung ano yung progress. So, for QDTE, for the 4th week of May, we received $22.23. For triple QY, we received $38.64. For YMAG, we received $62.99. For YMAX, we received $96.26. And for NVDY, ang laki ng tinaas nito from the previous distribution last April. We received a distribution of $321.58. So ayan guys, ayan yung breakdown ng income natin for 4th week of May. So for the month of May guys, pumapatak na 5 weeks yung ating dividend payout. So titingnan natin kung mukhang malalagpasan ng tingnan natin kung malampasan ng 5th week distribution for the month of May yung 4th week distribution. So tingnan natin guys. So yun lang, in update ko lang kayo, and I would like to apologize again Alam ko konti lang yung ating mga subscribers, and I know hopefully nakakatulong tayo guys. And as an income investor, medyo nakikita ko na yung medyo maganda yung May. So hopefully by June, dire-diretso. Medyo pa rin, rocky pa rin yung market, although nakaka-catch up na uli, tumataas na uli ang ating market. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na. And I'm filming this video, today is June 15, so 2025. So late na tong video na to guys. So I apologize to those who are waiting and for our content to drop every week. And yun, I wanna hold myself accountable para na rin sa sarili ko and sa inyo nga mga viewers, na konting viewers natin dyan. Maraming salamat guys. Yun lang muna, and then we'll jump on to the next video sa distribution ng na-receive natin for the 5th week of May. Kasi yun pumapatak pumatak pa sa May yung last distribution. So yun guys, and see you on the next one. Salamat ulit.